Alright, part two of helping you how to pick out brushes to get you all set for your journey. Before you watch this one, watch part one. I'm gonna link that up there. Now, roll the intro. Ooh. Yo, what's up? Baby, barbershop, back again. So you go to the supply store and you see different kinds of brushes and you see a circle opening in the brush package and you start poking. You poke some of these brushes and you're like, damn, this is kind of soft. This is kind of firm. This is kind of so-so. Yes, they have different kinds of brush firmness, i.e. hard brush, medium brush, soft brush. Short answer, depending on your texture, depending on how tight your curls are, you might need all three kinds of brushes, or you might need one or maybe two max, depending on how tight your texture is. Somebody with more of a tight curl pattern is going to need all three types of brushes to help him lay his hair down much easier, especially the hard brush. It's gonna help you lay your hair down more easier and much more control since your texture is kind of tight. Now, somebody with like straight hair who barely has any curls at all is just gonna need a soft brush for the most part. Maybe medium, but medium might be a little bit too much pull. You might wear a tight curl texture, you need a lot more pull than somebody whose hair already lays down straight. Anyway, your hair already lays down. You don't need much pull. You're just trying to make curls. Somebody with the tighter curl pattern already has the curls. They gotta lay that down. You trying to make your hair that's already laid down more curly, i.e. wavy. How do you use these type of brushes? So when you're doing your sessions, the hard brush is the brush that will attack the area closest to your scalp. You know, there's three layers. So I'm talking from the standpoint of somebody who is a very tight curl pattern. So the bottom layer, i.e. the layer closest to the scalp, that is where your hardest brush will hit. And then you have another layer, the medium layer, which is what your medium brush will hit. This is what we call your workhorse brush. If there's one brush you want to get, if you can't get any kind of brushes, is the medium brush. Medium brush is the most versatile out of the three kinds of firmness. That brush will hit the middle layer of your pattern, of your waves, and then you got the soft brush, and that will hit the top layer, i.e. that's called like a polisher. So that will lay down the frizz, like the layer you actually see from the outside. That's just being attacked with a softie. Like I said, depending on your texture, it's going to depend how many of these brushes you will need. Like I said earlier, somebody with a more straighter kind of pattern, you're not going to need a hard brush. A hard brush would be too much pull. Your hair is already laid down already. You don't need to lay down more. Your hair naturally lays down anyway. You use a hard brush, it's just gonna mess up the curls you were working so hard to obtain. This is a quick video. The three kinds of firmness of brushes you will see in a supply store. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples, and I'm gonna see you next video.